morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 14 of my keto challenge here in Mexico. So today is Christmas Day, and this is the first time in my life that I've been in a hot location for Christmas. It's kind of odd to wake up and look out and see a beach, but we are camped out here on a beach with our friends, and we're going to start the day off by doing a Christmas brunch. Traditionally with my family, that would be what we would do Christmas morning. We would get up, we would have our presents, and then we would have a brunch with little appetizers and such. So we're going to prepare some meats, some cheeses, and we're going to make some festive keto buns. The recipe for these buns is inspired from a recipe from the Diet Doctor website, but we're going to change up a few things because we want to make these a little bit more festive today. We're going to start with psyllium husk, and we need 5 tablespoons. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. And we'll just give the dry ingredients a stir. Set this aside for a few minutes, and now we want to separate our egg yolks and egg whites. We're going to use the yolks for breakfast, but we just need whites for this recipe. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the dry ingredients. Now we dump in our 3 egg whites. And give it a stir. This is 1 cup of boiling water. And we're just going to mix this in with the rest of the ingredients. Once you add the boiling water, then whisk for about 30 more seconds. We're going to grease our pan with avocado oil as well as our hands. This recipe makes 6 buns, so we'll divide this dough into 6 pieces. Now finally, since it's Christmas, we want to make them look a little pretty. We're going to add a little bit of pumpkin seeds to the top. Now let's pop them in the oven, 350. We'll check them in about 40 minutes.